What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? JV, back again, another video. I've been mighty busy. I apologize for the lack thereof, but you know, I'm here. I'm at my new spot. I'm working, doing things, you know. Anyway, enough of that. Not here for that. Brioche bread. Brioche. Sliced cheddar, smoked ham, flat top, which is something totally different. Garlic butter. So I'm pretty much gonna show a start to finish grilled cheese with the brioche bread using garlic butter, cheddar, mild cheddar cheese, and smoked ham. All right. So I got my flat top kind of hopefully where I want it to be. This thing is extremely tricky to play with, but when you find the sweet spot, you find the sweet spot. So first, let's get the butter on the bread. All right. I should have a brush, but I don't, so I'm doing this. And let's just get it right there in the middle. I'm just gonna baste some butter on both sides and then set it up just like that. And let's see how the bread comes out first before we play with that ham. Okay, so I already can see that my sweet spot is not over there, so I'm gonna go over here. There we go. Feel it. There we go. All right. So let me get the top with the garlic butter. This is very easy. This is just unsalted butter that I melted with very, very, very fine, like diced or chopped garlic. No, chopped, sorry, very small. That's all this is. And I just have it because, you know, when I do butter, I just want to have it at a different level so that it's not basic, that's all. Very simple, very straightforward. All right, so let's see now what's going on. And here we go, check it out. Boom, boom, all right. This is at the lowest setting. I'm trying to perfect this right now because I want to sell it at the restaurant that I'm working at. So I'm just playing with it right now. So we throw some butter right there. Ham. The ham, I'm just gonna get a little color on it, and then that's it. That'll be that. Check the bread, the other side. Ooh, it's hot. All right, bread is looking good. Definitely looking good. So I'm gonna give it another flip, and then I'm gonna put the ingredients in and then close the sandwich. This is a real grilled cheese, which I don't know why they call it grilled, because you don't grill a grilled cheese. Well, I don't, so it's very interesting. All right, let's take the ham. Like I said, we just want to get a little color. And then this is the presentation side of the grilled cheese. So let's flip this back over. And this is brioche bread, so it can take, you know, us flipping it a couple of times. So let's put the cheese, right? And this is white American, nothing big deal. I had it, so I'm just gonna use it. You know, it's just there. Can't do any harm, can't hurt, so why not? So 2 slices, and 2 of the like that, and then I am going to something different. So I'm gonna put salt and pepper on the inside. Like I said, because I'm different. All right. Put the ham. Let's put the ham right here, just like that. Oh, this is hot. Woo. Man up, JV. Man up, man up. All right. It's hot. So now we're just gonna put this like so. And we're gonna close, just like so. And that's hot. So let me show you a little trick right now. This is a little cover thing that, you know, when you have a flat top, you use it to melt stuff and this and that. So I'm gonna use this right now, just like that. Give it about, I want to say 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna plate it up for you guys. Very, very easy. Again, I apologize for the videos, lack thereof. I have been extremely busy. I work every day of the week. If I'm working both jobs, I am doing about 17 to 18 hours a day. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm not having a lot of fun at the first job because it's very boring, but I'm having a lot of fun, pardon, at the second job because it's very thrill-seeking and entertaining and exciting and fun. And you know, I get to play with my own things and write menus and things of that nature. So very, very fun. I do that at the first job, but the first job with the COVID just totally sucks right now. It's like no sugarcoating that. So boom. That was about a minute. So we're still good. Even got a little more color, which is, that's not anything big. So I'm just gonna put that and then flip it back over, and then I'm gonna show you guys if there's anything. Let me get a plate. Let me get a plate. So at this spot, because everything is like to-go-ish, I don't really have, so I'm gonna use this red bowl. So pardon me with that. Pardon me. And let's get one more flip. And we are good. Get out of there. Get out of there. Okay. So now, let's go. Let's get the plate up action. So here is the plate up. Here is the sandwich. Melanie. Melanie, if you don't know, shout out to Melanie, is my extremely nice and sharp, expensive shun, which I invested in myself because I've been working really hard and I needed a treat. So, oh, you hear that crisp? You hear? Ah, that's what you want with a grilled cheese. So, you see that? Look at that. You see that? Doesn't do justice. So, boom and boom. And actually, because I have some staff here, the wonderful girls here at the restaurant, I'm gonna see if they'd be willing to do a tasting on camera. So let's find out. So they're coming, pardon me. So at the restaurant, this is Emily. Emily, say hi.
Hello.
This is Destiny.
Hello.
They are going to taste the grilled cheese.
What's in here?
Garlic butter, toasted, the smoked ham, cheddar, white American.
That's meal cheese.
Okay. How we feeling? How we feeling? How we feeling? $12 for a grilled cheese. I'm gonna take that as success.
I need some like truffle oil. We could do 15 on it.
There you go. Emily, how we feeling? How we feeling? Emily does that.
That's good.
Yeah? Okay.
That's perfect. It's like a...
It's like you eat it at any angle and it's just still perfect. Like
it's like a garlic bread.
I love Emily. Her reactions are just they're different. Anyway,
garlic bread with cheese and ham,
that's it.
With mad cheese.
That's it.
Good cheese.
That's it.
Cheese.
That's it.
Oh,
All right. So the grilled cheese is successful. We are signing out.
Hold on, before you sign out real quick. I want you to know this is not a regular grilled cheese like sandwich. Like at all. Like my face can't even, it's an understatement. Signing out.
That was good. That's really good.
Alright, so this is JV. We're at the restaurant. We are signing out. Shout out to Destiny and Emily. And
Out to the sandwich.
till next time, Mr. Spice.